Hi, my name's Richard Duffy. I'm the SAP Business One Product Evangelist, and I'm also the SAP Business One Sales and Marketing Programs Manager. I'd like to welcome you to this, the first of my podcasts for 2011. What I'd like to do in today's podcast is introduce you to something that I've put together for all of you who are involved in sales of SAP Business One that I hope will be very, very helpful for you. One of the tools that I've been using for quite some time is a tool called Evernote. What Evernote does, it allows you to basically collect a whole range of different resources into what is fundamentally a notebook. So it's a virtual notebook, it's a collection of files, whether that's video, whether it's PDF documents, PowerPoint presentations, Word documents, whatever the case may be, it allows you to put all those things together and save them as a notebook. So what I've done is I've created an SAP Business One Partner Sales Kit. And the idea behind this is that we use Evernote as the platform for distributing this out to you. How does it work? Well, first step is you need to go to www.evernote.com and download a copy of Evernote. Now, that can be downloaded free of charge and it can be used free of charge. I've paid for my version because I get a lot of value from it, and you may choose to do that yourself as well. Move to the premium version, which will get you a lot more features, but you only need the free version for now. As soon as you've done that and you've got it installed, you can drop me an email to richard.duffy@sap.com. And what I'll do is I will add you to the user list for the SAP Business One Sales Toolkit. So what I've done is in that particular Sales Toolkit, it's an Evernote notebook, and I'm populating it with all sorts of different content, whether it's solution briefs, the very latest customer presentation, some on-demand webinar content, some videos, and so on, that will be very, very helpful for you to carry with you wherever you go. As well as that, I've got the latest positioning documents and a couple of other things in there. So the good thing about Evernote is not only can you run it as an application on your PC, but you're also able to deploy an Evernote client for the iPad, for the iPhone, as well as Android, Windows Phone, a whole variety of mobile devices. What does that mean? Basically, you can take that mobile device with you wherever you go and always have on hand all of those key SAP Business One sales resources. So if you're sitting in front of a prospective client and they ask you, well, gee, I'd really like a copy of the solution brief, all you need to do on your iPad or iPhone is select that document from the Sales Toolkit, hit the send email button, put in their email address, hit send, and they'll have a copy of the very latest document. So my job is to be, if you like, your personal information butler and make sure that that notebook is always updated with the very latest information. And I'll also populate it with some sales hints and tips from time to time, and also some videos with some extra messages, some extra maybe sales training. Fundamentally, anything that I believe you may find helpful. And of course, the key to this, as with everything that I do, is for you to tell me what you need so I can incorporate that into the toolkit. So there you have it. The steps involved. Step 1, install Evernote from www.evernote.com. Step number 2, drop me an email and let me know that you would like to subscribe to the Sales Toolkit. Step number 3, you'll receive an email from me with a link that will enable you to open up that Sales Toolkit on Evernote after you've created an Evernote account, which again, as I said, is free, and then you'll synchronize all of those documents automatically. As soon as I update one of those documents, you'll get the updated version of that document. So hopefully that's going to be helpful for you. If there are other things that you would like me to provide, or for SAP to provide to you to help you be more effective, please let me know. I am always at your disposal. Again, my email address is sorry, that's not my email address. I was about to give you my website address. My email address is richard.duffy@sap.com, and some other resources that you might find helpful as well that I'll talk about in my next podcast on my YouTube channel, a couple of LinkedIn forums that I've created, as well as my website. But we'll save those for the next podcast. Thanks very much for watching.